Hey folks, it's Aaron at Tiny Pontoon Boats. I'm here with Einar from Manifest Builders. We're unloading the first truck for the new Tiny Pontoon Boats steel building. Einar, what do you think this thing weighs?
The entire building?
The whole damn thing.
Could be in the 30, well there's 2 truckloads, so it could be in the 40,000 pound range. That'd be just a guess kind of thing. I haven't given it much thought. But,
Can I get it unloaded with this sweet little kitty cat over here? And it's going over there. Here we go.